man. Yeah, there's definitely something strange about this painting. Red, white, aqua blue, yellow, and a black. These will be the colors we use in our project. This land. There you go. Voila, you got your beer. Next up, we add the beer glass over top. Voila! Does that make you feel like having an ice cold glass of beer on the beach? Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and bear with your friends. I'll see you again next time.